Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Random Box Unbox, where we aim to give back to the community, and that community being you, the very own crowd that's helping me build this channel. And let's get into it. Now today we have a very special video because I know there aren't many Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing videos out there, or at least not one as well edited and well put together as this one, right? So I'm very excited for this. Thank you Verizon for the late delivery. And let's just get into it. Alright guys, so let's just get into it. I have the box over here, just as received from my carrier, which is Verizon. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, let's just put this to the side. And here we have it, the Galaxy S10 Plus. Break these. And there it is. So as much as I want to see this, I want to go ahead and put it to the side for now. And let's just get into the contents of the box. So, and from what I've noticed, and we're told online, is if you buy the black version of the phone, you will get your accessories in black, and if you buy the white one, you will get the accessories in white. So we're going to start here with, you'll have your fast charger travel adapter. All right, which is a USB type A. And if we get into this here quick, you will have your, let's open it up over here, which is your fast charging cable, which is a USB type A to type C. So it should very well fit the adapter. And then here you have this tiny little adapter, which is a USB type C male and a USB type A female. Oh my god, they made these so hard to open up. It's insane. So these are used to transfer data from one phone to another, and after that it will probably sit in your box forever. I mean, you can also use it as an adapter, but yes. So continuing here, you of course have your 3.5mm jack with AKG headphones. So shout out to Samsung for that, and I know they're sticking to their guns with a whole headphone jack, but at some point they're gonna have to get rid of it, since people are using them less and less, at least in the gym anyways. And here you have a few these ear rubbers. If you're not okay with the size that's currently on, you could just change them out. So now let's put this side of the box apart, and if you look here inside the box, you have this little pull tab you can just pull out, and here you have this box with your SIM card tray opener. And let's open up this box, and inside you have what seems to be just a quick starter's guide. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and jump into the phone. So let's start with the bottom here. So you have your 3.5mm jack. Then you have your charging port. Then you have a microphone, and you have one of the stereo speakers. This is also one of the microphones. I believe it has two. So continuing to, wow, it's just beautifully built. Here you have your power button, and then you continue, and this is now the top of the phone. So here you have your second microphone, and you have your SIM card tray with an SD card slot. Make sure when you use your SIM card opener, do not poke your microphone and damage that. Then continuing into the side, you have your volume rocker up and down, and you have your dedicated Bixby button. Right, now looking at the back of the phone, You have your triple camera setup with a wide angle lens, an ultra wide angle lens, and a telephoto lens for a 2x zoom. You also have your flash, and you have one of my favorite features, which is the heart rate sensor. I know a lot of people don't use it, but I actually do. And you do have this beautiful glass display, which I will cover with my D-brand skin. Stay tuned for the review for that as well. And you have a Samsung logo and Galaxy S10, you know, a few other serial numbers and whatnot. Going back to the front of the phone, you have your beautiful Infinity O display housing the two front-facing cameras. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for being part of the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also remember that if you are one of the first 500 subscribers, you can be randomly selected to win one of the Urban Armor Gear Pathfinder SE Camo Series cases for your Galaxy S10 Plus. Thank you all, and I hope you have a great day.